guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today we're in one of the best residentials in town and I have a new constructed villa with 2 beds and 2.5 baths for sale. Come on in and have a look. So did you see this one? A great villa ready to move into, maybe some furniture to add on to and your own personal stamp, and then it's ready to go. So you know what to do. Click on the link here below for more information. Give us a like, subscribe, and share with all of your friends. Bye.